It wouldn't be Easter without some hot cross buns. So let's make some hot cross bun focaccias. First things first, we are going to rehydrate some raisins in hot water. Set that aside while we get started on the dough. So there's warm water, yeast, honey, bit of oil, flour, salt. And I've added some mixed spice, cinnamon and ground ginger to the dough. Drained the raisins, added it into the dough. And then we're going to stretch and fold it every 15 minutes for a few times. Let it go down for its first snap. And then we're going to make our little melted butter spice mixture. So there is some butter, dark brown sugar, mixed spice, ground cinnamon, cardamom and orange zest. So we're going to pour 3/4 of that into our prepared pan, add the dough, give it a little bit of a fold and flip and let it go down for its second nap. And then we are going to add the rest of that melted spice butter mixture on the top and bake it. While it is baking, we're going to make our glaze. Now you want to bake the focaccia, let it cool down completely. Don't get too excited like me. And then we are going to add our little glaze, our orange and icing sugar glaze to make a beautiful cross.